Here we have our ingredients for the Canadian bacon. Salt, brown sugar, black peppercorns, bay leaves, juniper berry, fennel seeds, coriander ground, star anise, maple syrup granulates and garlic powder. Now we're gonna put everything together in the pot. Now we're gonna add the water. Now we turn on the fire and we bring the whole thing to a simmer, to a boil. We bring the whole thing to a boil and let it simmer then for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes up, we get it off the heat. Take off the lid and let it cool down completely. Finally add curing salt Prague number 1 and some ascorbic acid. Always put in after it's cooled down or the active ingredients will be boiled out. Give it a good stir, it's a small amount, make sure it dissolves and then we are ready to brine the meat in the vacuum seal bag. So I'm getting now my pork loin into a vacuum seal bag. And pouring in all the brine. This is getting now vacuum sealed. So the loin is now vacuum sealed and it's gonna get back into the tray and for 6 days into the fridge and will be turned every day. See you in 6 days. So we are on temperature now. Getting on the Canadian bacon. It was slightly brushed with a little bit of maple syrup. Here we go. So time's up. Temperature is reached. We have an internal of 62 degrees Celsius or 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Time to get it off. Let it cool down a little bit, then it goes in the fridge overnight and tomorrow we have the final tasting. So here we have finally our Canadian bacon out of the fridge and now we're gonna slice a few things up. Doesn't that look fantastic?